I'm so excited to share with you not only one, but two of my Singer Featherweight 221s. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Christine, founder of Sewing and the City. So in the last few years, I've kind of become obsessed with the Singer Featherweight 221 and 222s, mostly because I was introduced to them from my mom, who is a really avid collector and lover of the machine. And I've been so lucky to be the receiver of two featherweights that she's gifted me. And so I wanted to share a little bit about them, as well as the history and kind of what is all the hype around the Singer featherweights. So these machines were manufactured from 1933 to 1968, and they were advertised as a portable sewing machine. So they came with a carrying case, and they weighed just about 11 pounds, made fully of aluminum, so they're very, very strong, but a lightweight travel option, so women could go to quilt classes or sewing classes and take this portable machine along with them. Some of the advertisements are really, really interesting and kind of give you a snapshot of what life was like from the 30s to the 60s. One of the really cool things about the Singer Featherweight is there is actually a database where you can take the serial number of your machine and you can type it in, and it will give you the exact information about when it was manufactured and where, which is really, really cool. You can find the serial number of your machine on the bottom plate of the machine. So my first machine here, the black one, was manufactured January 29th, 1951. And this is actually a bicentennial version. It has this really beautiful end plate there and the scroll work along the base. You can see the normal chrome parts, the turn wheels, and of course the little light switch here. It has the little flip. I don't have this plugged in at the moment. So the black one is from 1951, and I have comes with a little booklet. So this black one is extra special because I actually have the buttonholer attachment. This is so cool. And if you'd like to see a video on more specifics of this attachment, just drop a comment below, but that is something really cool. It also came with this fun box of different attachments for the machine. So then on to my white beauty. So I just absolutely love, love, love the white. It's just such a beautiful color. So this one was actually manufactured August 6th, 1968. So it's quite a bit newer than my black one. It has just a slightly updated turn for the light. And unlike my black, which has a removable plug, the white is actually hardwired with the plug and the foot pedal. So the white is obviously just has the newer Singer seal. It doesn't have the scroll work along the bottom, and it has just a slightly different end plate here. It doesn't have the silver one like my black one has. So this white one actually came with this blue instruction booklet, as well as this beautiful blue carrying case, which I just absolutely love. All kinds of attachments. This really cool, look at this box. Very cool vintage with all of my attachments, as well as this really cute little oil can for oiling the machine, and all kinds of different feet and goodies and needles in here. two beautiful featherweights. And I also wanted to mention that a really good resource for information, if you want to learn more about the featherweight, of course, there's lots of videos here on YouTube, but also the Featherweight shop is a tremendous resource for they have a schoolhouse that has so much information about how to oil your machine and all about the bobbin case, which is really special, and all the research and whatnot. So definitely check them out if you want to learn more. If you'd like to see more videos about me using my featherweights, definitely drop a comment and let me know how you feel about vintage machines. Do you have one? Do you have many? Do you collect them? Do you have memories? Let me know below. I love talking shop with machines. So I think that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.